Want to know how to add two-step verification in Best Buy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Best Buy application. So we have also created videos on how to install Best Buy, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, once you've opened up your Best Buy application, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your account right here with your name, the simple like that. And now once you've filled your account, here you should be seeing account settings below plans and subscriptions, the simplest like that. And now once you've filled your account settings, here you should be seeing account security right here. You can just simply scroll down a little bit and here you should be seeing set two-step verification, the simplest like that. And here you can see two options. You can either select the authenticated app or just simply get code by text to your phone number. So I'd recommend authenticator app, but in this video I'm going to show you through the text message. So you can just simply enter your verification code that has been sent to your Gmail, and once that is done, your two-step should be set up easily. And that's it. Super simple and easy. So once you have typed in your verification, just simply select continue and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.